Meow. Hi, my name is Oliver. Hey, Chloe. Chloe's the dog. Chloe, what you doing, Chloe? What you doing? What? Oh, don't sniff so close to the microphone. Okay. Um, my name is Oliver, and I was born today, and I like to do all kinds of fun things. I love to play with the puppies, and I like to play with other kitties, and I like to play with other chibis, but most of all, I like to sleep. And I like to sleep in your lap, and, I don't know. I'm gonna go back to sleep. Okay. Good night.